Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, yes, you have seen it right, you have heard it right, that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, and to which I have been sharing a wide variety of very beautiful, all types of, all categories of, all aspects of hand embroidered, machine embroidered, handmade, hand woven, hand sewn mask designs. Yes friends, all of these masks are 3D masks, 3D embroidery based masks. These are very easy and specially designed for beginners, and for these masks are absolute favorite patterns for the ones who have a business of massive number of clients. They are in search of handmade material designs that could be made easily with less effort, with less time, and they can make a large amount of money. So this video is absolutely for embroidery beginners, for embroidery artists, for embroidery lovers as well. But friends, not only this, in this video you are seeing these very beautifully designed handmade hand embroidery patterns made onto face mask. But the scope of these designs is not limited to this only. You can make these designs onto a wide variety of stuff. Like you can make these as all over design for your shirts designing, you can make these as a side motif onto your necklines, you can make this onto your sleeve design patterns, you can make them onto your hand knitted stuff like hats, head warmers, neck warmers, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and even you can make these very beautiful and decent hand embroidery floral designs onto your baby girl dresses, frocks, skirts, and even on their denim pants. These very beautifully decent and delicate flowers could also be used at the same time for denim embroidery. So thank you so much for watching my content. I hope that you like my ideas and suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon, and we will meet soon in my new videos. Thank you so much.